Foshan ZXC New Material Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer for ASA synthetic resin roof tile, PVC Anti-corrosion Roofing Sheet, APVC Plastic Roofing Sheet, UPVC Heat Insulation Roofing Sheet, Fiberglass Transparent Roof Sheet, PC Clear Roofing Sheet, PVC Resin Gutter and accessories. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. We're located in Shibian Industrial Area, Danzhou Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. We have 8 produce line, about 66 employee. Plant covers an area of 15,000 square meter. One produce line, we produce about 2,000 square meters every day, so we're fast delivery time. 120 feet container about 5 days, 140 feet container about 7 days. We adopt advanced production equipment and technology. We talk the rigorous science, green carbon production philosophy, and humane management as the core. After years of painstaking efforts and continuous exploration, and gradually grow into a professional large-scale roof tile manufacturer in Foshan City, the company has good software and hardware facilities. Besides, with the assured stability in product quality, it has passed the CE certification. Create industry brand, build a beautiful home, good quality, good service, good price. It is our sales philosophy. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you.